Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video we would be discussing about an important Salesforce admin concept called profile in Salesforce. So basically in this video what you will learn is how what is a Salesforce profile and how you can create a profile and how you can assign a profile and what is the use case scenario that I have worked on recently for creation of the profile. So let's jump into it and see. So first thing first, so just understand what exactly say Salesforce profile. So in Salesforce, right, a profile determines what a user can see and what a user can do. Think of it like an employee ID badge, and some users may get full access while others have limited permissions. And also just an example, right, marketing team folks need marketing related activities access, whereas sales team needs sales related activities or features. In the same way, service folks need service related technical support related object access and other features, right? So for these three different departments, three profiles would be created, or else maybe more based upon the granular requirement of of the profiles. So what you can do with the profile, so profile is basically it defines object permissions like CRUD access, like create, read, update and delete, and controls tab visibility and record types. So these are some important concepts I will share in future. And also profiles helps manage app access and field level security of the fields. So basically when I say manage apps, right, so in Salesforce there are multiple apps and we can provide or remove access to that app using profiles. And now let's see a real-time use case scenario that I worked on. So basically I got a ticket from a person called John Smith, who would be our HR manager, or most probably we'll get access. We'll get this kind of request from the directors of sales or RevOps or FinOps. So yeah, so here we are just considering HR manager. It is just for assumption, and the ticket ID is something, and reporter is John Smith, and subject is create a custom sales profile. So we have a new sales executive joining next week, reporting to Mary Johnson, who is sales director. Please create a profile with access to leads, opportunities, and reports, but no access to administrative settings. So if you are able to see, right, here the scenario, it says access to leads, opportunities and reports. So based upon this, we can do this. So the challenge here is we need to create a profile, and that should only provide access to sales related data without giving admin access. So let's see how we can do. So go to Trailhead, click on here, hands on orgs, and just open the org that you are using. Now what you can do here is, let me close this out. Let me close this out. And this is setup only. Now go to profiles. This is the profile. So now we want to create a custom sales profile. We already have one. We would be creating another one. So let's say it is always recommended to clone the existing profile rather than creating a new one. So for now we will be using standard user. Just you need to clone, and you need to enter the profile name custom sf sales Salesforce sales. Okay, so this is the profile name that I have given. You can give anything that you want. And then next what you can do here is, so now you need to configure it. So if you see, we have created a profile. Now let's click on edit. And what are the objects in the scenario that we are referring to? Please create a profile with access to leads, opportunities and reports. Leads, opportunities and reports, right? So leads, if you see, these are the objects. We are giving view all access, opportunities, view all, so that they can view everything, and reports. Let's see if I can find the reports. We are giving report access to this profile. Create reports, we already provided access. Oh, it got away. Let us click on here again. Create report folders, edit reports, report builder, lightning experience, schedule reports. This helps to, set up some notifications. Manage all private. This is not needed. This is not needed. This is something helps to add a fields. Okay. Okay. We have given access to reports, and all these are the objects access. And one more thing here is um, we need not to provide admin related activities, and these are the tabs. So default it is on. Now leads and accounts. Let's see, leads is on. Opportunities, MNOP, opportunities also on. I'll show you what exactly the tabs are basically. Let me click on here. Now I just saved it. So basically tabs are uh, these are called tabs: opportunities, lead, task, files, accounts. So this is what they meant. And however, we did not provided any administrator access, because we have cloned the standard user profile. So managing users would be not part of the access. What else we can do here is, you can set up the password policies for this profile. And let me see what else we can do with this. Record types, tab settings and apps. You see, these are the custom apps. You can also give whether it is visible or default. You can give. If you see here, for this for these apps like sales apps, we have given default. So whenever someone with this profile logs in, they will be redirected to sales profile, but they have access to all these many apps. And what else? Yeah, page layouts. What kind of page layouts we need to add, it will show you everything. And now what you can do here is, you can click on view users, and you can add multiple users. You can add people. I mean, you can use roles to add the people. For example, if you see, if I want to add this guy SVP customer, if I select this, all the people would be added here. So that is how you can do. And let me show you how you can add it. You can come here and you can click on Mary Johnson, or maybe we can create a new user for now. The reason why I'm not creating a new user is because uh, developer edition has only 2 licenses, so that is the reason why we are unable to do it. So I'm going to click on details for Mary Johnson profile, and let me click on edit. I'm just deactivating it. You can use anything. So this is the sales profile that we have given, and then click on save. This is how you can assign a profile. Right now, if you try to log in as Mary Johnson, I just reactivated the user again just to show you how it looks. So if you see, the default app is Sales app, and home is available, opportunities, leads, tasks, and everything is available. And we have also provided access to create report. Let me click on here. They have setup access as well. So basically this is how you can create a profile and you can assign a profile. And don't create a profile from scratch. Try to use the existing one and modify them as per your convenience. And also, use permission sets mostly instead of giving access on the profile level. That would be great. And audit your profiles regularly. If the user count is less, just think twice and delete the profiles if they are not in use. That would be helpful. And also, just key takeaways from this clip is like, profiles control user access and visibilities, and assign profiles wisely and audit them regularly. And yeah, I think that's it for this concept. I mean, the sales for profile concept. Thank you so much for watching this video, friends. I hope you learned something new about Salesforce. And if you feel this video is really helpful, please do share it with the fellow Salesforce learners. And do let me know if you have any questions through the comment sections. Do not forget to like the video and comment the questions, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more Salesforce related videos. Thank you and have a great day.